Welcome, in front of me is a Kenxinda V6 and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through the recovery mode. So to get started, let's power off the device. Wait for the device to shut off, and once it has, we will then hold power key and volume up. So power, volume up, hold both of those keys at the same time. And we're now in the recovery mode. So from here you'll use volume keys to navigate, so volume down goes down, volume up goes up, and you want to select Wipe Data Factory Reset, which is right here, and confirm it with power key. And once more select Yes and power key to confirm it. And you get a dialog box at the bottom, and last thing we should see is a data wipe complete. So there it is. And reboot system now should be selected by default, so all you need to do is press power key once more and the device will reboot and continue the process in the background. Now this might take a couple minutes, so just be patient, and once it's finished we should be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.